Convict jumps from Supreme Court building and escapes custody after learning fate on gun charges.
Reach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
A manhunt has been launched for a convict who escaped police custody following his sentencing in the Gun Court Division of the Supreme Court by Justice Claes Wilshire on Thursday. The police are now seeking to recapture Anthony Williams, otherwise called Pops, who is of an Almontown, Kingston address. 22-year-old Williams was recently found guilty of illegal possession of firearm and assault. After being sentenced this morning to 12 years in prison for illegal possession of firearm and over 14 years for assault at common law, Williams reportedly bolted from the courtroom and jumped from the second floor of the building onto Tower Street before escaping. The incident happened sometime after 11 a.m. Appeals have been made by the police and his attorney, Kimberly Whitaker, for him to turn himself in.
We don't go here jumping, and dropping at the road. We don't see nothing. Me see police them around and go down the road, man. Police them around. No, I not got the assassin jump.
But you heard?
I hear when he jump in. No, so I come in and chop me, I couldn't tell no time of that, I mean, I serve some people. Yes, I was serving some people. That is it. I couldn't tell you the time of that.